computer networks, cloud computing, cybersecurity. Welcome to Corvit Systems North.
My name is Arifah and my last name is Dasteyar. I am from Afghanistan. I graduated from Education Faculty, Balkh University, but right now I live in Pakistan. And I heard about the Corvit system from one of my friend, and she said that we have to go and submit in this course about network course and graphic design course. And right now I am a student in a graphic design course. And the environment here is very good, and the facilities that we have here, like laptops, like peaceful areas, and good teachers with good behavior, and they're very hardworking, and they're very honest, and they are trying to learn us very deeply and carefully. So this is very good for us. Especially I'm in graphic design class, and graphic design is a good program for us about our future, that we want to work on it. So I'm very thankful from UNHCR and Corvit System and NAVTTC, and thank you so much for providing this program